What if you could take control of your thoughts, emotions, and actions to create the life you have always dreamed of? That's the promise of Tony Robbins' classic book, Awaken the Giant Within. It's a powerful guide to mastering your mind and unlocking your true potential. This book is all about transformation. Robbins shares actionable strategies to help you reshape your beliefs, set meaningful goals, and build habits that align with the life you want to live. It's not just about motivation, it's about the lasting change. One of the standout ideas in this book is the concept of pain and pleasure. Robbins explains how our brains are wired to avoid pain and seek pleasure, and how you can use this to reprogram your habits and mindset. It's practical and it works. For me, what makes this book special is how empowering it feels. Robbins doesn't just tell you what to do, he gives you the tools to believe in yourself and take actions. It's like having a personal coach cheering you on every step on the way. So, if you are ready to take charge of your life, you can grab your copy of The Awaken the Giant Within through the link in the description, or you can even listen to it for free with an Amazon Audible trial. It's a must read for anyone who is serious about personal growth. Have you read this book? What's one change you have made in your life after reading it? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.